Hello, guys and dolls. Well, today I said I'm not going to have any makeup at all on, nothing, but my lips are kind of dry. So I'm just putting just some this on. It was clear, but I had some lipstick on, and I kept putting it inside there, but my lips aren't as dry. But today what I'm eating is fried chicken, a little piece of rib left, and some string beans, rice, and my cereal, and water. How are y'all doing? This is so good. I feel so bad that I haven't had a chance to comment to the videos yet. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. How are y'all doing? Mm, 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 mm. It's good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 Yeah, I have a question. This way, everyone can meet everyone. How about if I do a live stream? Mm. That way, everyone can just meet everyone. Mm. And get to know everyone and support everyone. Mm. Mm. So what do y'all think about that? Instead of me doing a shout out. Oh, sorry y'all. It's almost fell. Instead of me doing a shout out video, that way I can include everyone. What do you think about that? I thought about that. I was like, maybe y'all may want that more because you'll be, you know, I was like, everyone will be able to talk to everyone. That would be nicer. Mm-hmm. 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 Do you have to be eligible to do a live stream? Um, what are the eligibilities? I guess I can look it up. These phones. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I try not to clank the bowls and put it so hard because I know that can be irritating to your ears. All done. Well, what do y'all want to talk about? Mm, 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 mm. Mm. All done. Well, I kind of want to eat something else. Mm. I kind of want to eat a bagel. Mm. Well, maybe I won't. Well, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I want a bagel. I'll be right back. I'm back. Well, I just got a bagel. Mm. Mm. I was eating it off camera, so. Mm. 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 Yeah, if I do the live stream, would y'all want me to do it Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? Which is more convenient? And what time? Mm. 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 All done. Well, I'm very sleepy. Um, I'm going to heart everyone's comment right now, and I may not be able to respond um, a lot, which I want to, but I'll be able to respond on the weekend if I hadn't already responded. But the interaction I have with y'all, I love it so much. I just don't wanna, you know what? I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna comment right now, and um, it may be just kind of short and sweet, but I just want y'all to know that I love you and I appreciate you commenting. And gosh, I wish I could just hold every single one of you. And let me get off here real quick and go comment um and go to sleep because I have to be up in a few hours. So you be good, you be safe, you get a lot of rest, and I will talk with y'all later. Mm, 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 mm.